Hello everyone. Thank you for choosing to learn law with me. Hi, I am CA Preeti Agarwal and I have been teaching law since the last 15 years. I think clearing the CA exam is all about strategy and most importantly the notes and lectures that you refer. So that is why I personally pay a lot of attention to the quality of notes. It's not just a copy pasting of ICI material with some color added to it. These notes are specially prepared for easy learning and students will be able to recall them in the exam. My lectures are to the point. I don't like wasting students' time in unnecessary talks, motivation, or sharing my personal troubles in detail. If you are sitting with me for 1 hour, you will be assured of quality teaching in that 1 hour. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to share my personal experience or I'm not going to motivate you in class. I generally like to share with students some experience that I had in a restaurant or the airport or my experience in trading in stocks, equity, mutual funds, something which is relevant to what we are studying. So I generally feel that you should give students a real life or some kind of practical experience, only then the subject will be interesting. Now, these fast track lectures are for students who want to complete the entire syllabus in a very short duration of time. So you can consider this as a short duration course. So this is a mini version of the regular lectures. So my approach is going to be very simple. We are first going to prepare handwritten notes. So I will be teaching the concept from my note. Once that concept is simplified, okay, once you've understood that concept, we will then read it from my textbook. So this is my textbook for say inter, corporate and other laws. Now again, this is not a copy pasting of the study material. It is drafted for easy learning, self-study, and students will be able to learn this and recall in the exam. So first we are going to prepare notes, handwritten notes, charts, simplify the concept. Then we are going to read the concept from this textbook, highlight the keywords, section numbers that are important for exam. And once we read this entire concept, then I will make you highlight the important questions. After that, we will proceed to the next unit. As far as writing practice of the answers is concerned, you can write any number of questions and send it to me for checking. So you can purchase the course in two ways. One is without book and other is with the books. Now, if you opt for with book option, you will get a hard copy of my main law book. Okay, so this is a theory in detail law book. And along with this, you will also get an MCQ smart book, which is a printable PDF. Then you will also get an MCQ case study based smart book that is also in printable PDF. So if you go with the with books option, if you select with books, you will get hard copy of my main law book and MCQ smart books. Okay, so two MCQ smart books. One is the simple MCQ and another is the case based MCQ. So in case based MCQ, one case will be mentioned and 4 to 5 related questions on that particular case. Yes, the main query of students, doubt solving. Doubt solving will be in a Zoom session after every lecture. So we will meet on Zoom session and in that it will be a two-way communication. You can ask your doubts and you can also ask your doubts on WhatsApp. Sometimes students, they prefer calling me. So you can note down your doubts and you can also discuss on call. So many options are available and I'm assuring you students, you can ask my past students about it, that you will get doubt solving support and hand holding till your exam. So yes, a recorded backup will be provided to students. So in case you miss any particular lecture or you want to refer the lecture later for note making or for any other purpose, yes, revision is possible through the recorded backup. As far as the course validity is concerned, the validity is for 6 months. So in case you miss the September attempt due to any reason, you can continue watching the lectures till January attempt. Okay, so these recorded backup will be available and you can watch the lectures till January attempt. So we have provided 6 months validity for the benefit of students. Why these lectures? Because they are the best. You get to the point coverage, the entire syllabus is covered in just 50 hours, and the best part is the doubt solving. So you have direct connect with me on WhatsApp, call, Zoom sessions. I think that's the best part, that I'm personally available to solve the doubts of the students. There is a direct connect with me till exam. Students, if you still have further queries, you can contact me on the number given on the website, and let's learn law like never before.